Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super attractive and stunning crochet structs ideas for ladies, and WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen for order purpose. If you are from Pakistan, you can contact on this WhatsApp number which is given on screen 034563000924 and book your customized order of these beautiful crochet shrugs or any other pattern, because I have included granny patterns mostly in this video, but you can order any other pattern as well. So from any internet picture you can book your order and have beautiful crochet shrugs for ladies on customization in any color scheme with any pattern on the number given on screen. So all you need to do is just contact on the WhatsApp number and send the screenshot over of these beautiful crochet shrugs and book your order, and it will be given to you at your doorstep within 10 to 15 days. So you can see all of these patterns are super attractive and lovely, and their color schemes are also very attractive and gorgeous. So you can see these designs are having patchwork mostly, but you will see designs like this one and fringes are added on it. You will see tassel work designs and fringes designs in this video as well, and some of the designs are simple shrugs designs, but some of them are having high neck patterns made on them as well like this one. So all unique and attractive designs are included for you in this single video, and you will find almost 35 ideas. So just watch it till the end to get all of them, and for order purpose you can just contact on the WhatsApp number which is given on screen 034563000924 to book your customized order of these beautiful shrugs, or you can order any other crochet accessory as well. You can order baby frock sets, you can order braid hats, you can order cushion covers, you can order bedspreads, bed sheets. So any crochet accessory can be ordered on the number which is given on screen. So book your order, and according to the timeline which will be given to you for your project, then it will be delivered to you on made on customization product within the time, and it will be delivered to you at your home address. So just book your order right now and have these beautiful shrugs for yourself, or you can gift them to your friends and family members as well. So you will find different types of ideas and all of them are unique. So I hope you're gonna love them all as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.